Hi bestie, welcome to my haul video of Nykaa Land. So this is the stuff that I got from Nykaa Land and I will be unboxing them one by one. First is Love Etc. and we will see what's there inside. There's this catalog and this lipstick. So there was a task to post a story on my social media account, specifically Instagram. I just posted a video of mine and they gave me this hamper by Tony Moly. So they gave me this scrunchie, which is pink in color, this hairpin. I don't use hairpin as much. This candle, yeah, it's a scented candle, and this ceramide toner. So this was it from Tony Moly. Next comes Dalba. And Dalba has so much to offer. Like they were giving very huge and big bags to influencers. But to me, I just got this little one. So it's fine. So it has this sunscreen by Dalba. And this first spray serum. I think this is something that we use before we start doing our makeup. So this was it. Then there was Olay as well. Olay gave me this moisturizer with my name on it. Like they were writing the names of all the people. Then comes this Cetaphil. So they also had some games going on. So there was this wheel setup and they were also giving this free samples provided you follow their account. So they gave these exfoliators, like 2 packets are there. Now comes Forever Beauty. So at Forever Beauty, my friend also got her makeup done from them. They have given this makeup bag. It is of good quality, so I can use it if I want to carry my makeup, for travel purpose and all. They have also given this sample foundation. I am not sure what shade is this, but I'll use it. I'll like try it for once because it's a very good brand. Here comes my favorite brand, which is Traitor. So they have given this lip oil. Shade is so good. I can't wait to use it. They have also given this mini cute lip balm key ring. My god, this looks so cute. I can't wait to use it and put it in my bag and flex in front of my friends. And these are 3 shades of foundation. I mean, this is what they are known for, Teter. So they have given these 3 samples. So the next is K Beauty. Oh my god, so K Beauty has everything to offer. I mean, there was a photo booth and all of us were clicking pictures. This was a task, okay? So we had to click our pictures and then we need to post it on our stories and then we got the free samples. So yeah, these are the photographs that we took. Samples, we got this K Beauty lip pencil, which is for 649 and I got this for free. It's a steal deal, I mean. And I got this lip oil from them. It is also for something like 900. I always wanted to buy K Beauty products, but these are so expensive. Next is this Shills exclusive. It is a packet of face wipes. Along with the face wipes, they have also given me this liquid lipstick. But the shade is like too dark for me. I could give it to my mom. Here comes Pink Polka. I mean, this was something I never heard of this brand. So there was casino going on inside. When we entered, there was a guy and he gave us the chips and all of us were playing casino. We were clueless like what is happening here, but he explained the rules very nicely and that's how we played. I won silver card and this is what I got. So this is the packet of nipple covers and some tattoos from them. A small notebook kind of, which is empty from inside, so I can use it. And a catalog of all the products these guys have to offer. Here comes Elf Cosmetics, one of my favorite brand. So Elf also had some games that we had to play. They have given this hat sort of thing, which is not like fully covered, just covering like this much of my head. So yeah, it's fine. This lip oil by Elf, and they have so amazing lip oils. I have used their one of the lip oils before, and I can tell you like these are very good lip oils. I just can't wait to use these products by Elf. And they have also given this Halo Glow Beauty Wand. It is sort of a highlighter which we use it with the base when we do our makeup. So yeah, all three products are useful given by Elf. Here comes Minimalist. So I could see so many guys at Minimalist booth because guys use a lot of Minimalist products. So I could see a long queue of guys standing there. They have given this moisturizer which I can use. I haven't used their moisturizer ever, but I can try it once. This is it from Minimalist. Here is one of my favorite blush brand, which is Earth Rhythm. I'm like in so love with their blushes. Even like today, the blush I'm wearing, it's by Earth Rhythm. They have given this lip nectar. So they have given this lip nectar. I think it's their new range of lipsticks. Looks pretty nice from outside. I'll be trying it for sure. And a hand cream. Like hand creams are must have in winters because see, I have a dry skin and my hands get so dry when there are winters. So these are pretty useful stuff for me. Now it's a 310X. So it is some a hair care brand. So they have given this argan oil kit, which helps to fight frizzy hair, and I have a lot of frizzy hair, and so I can try it once, and if this works then I'll be buying it for sure. They have given this scrunchie and some samples of shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. I can try it if like I was planning to change my shampoo since very long time, and these looks quite decent. If it suits my hair then I'll be switching to them for sure. Now it's a beauty of Geocean. These guys also gave us this sunscreen. Like this is such a small packet of sunscreen, and this keychain by them. It's a very cute keychain. And they have also given some samples like serums and other stuff. I'll check them out. Now comes Dot and Key. And Dot and Key is one of my favorite brand. I use their moisturizer, their sunscreen, their lip balm. Majority of things that I own, it's by Dot and Key. They have given this serum to try on. They have given these three different moisturizer for different types of skin. So I can try it, and if any of like this is the moisturizer that I currently use, and if any of these two suits me better then I'll switch to them. Now comes my favorite brand, that was Dolce Gabbana. I expected a lot from them. Okay, so they have given this blush. It's not a blush, it's a lipstick samples, like quantity is very small, and a sample perfume. I expected something from them, but they have disappointed me. Dolce Gabbana, you could have given something better. Now, this is Moxie. So, Moxie deals with all stuff related to hair, and they have given this hyaluronic acid shampoo along with the conditioner. If it works for my hair, I'm telling you, I want to switch to a good hair care brand. Now comes Dream Beauty. Okay, so Dream Beauty also had this photo booth where I got my picture clicked. Like everything was so glittery. So they have given this. So this is Pink Panther Dream Escape eyeshadow. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, this is like a proper, glittery eyeshadow, which I really wanted since very long time. I was planning to buy from some other brand, but See, I got this. Like this looks so shiny because shiny eyeshadow makes your eyes look more enhanced and better. They have also given this blush. There are 3 shades of blush to try on. Yeah. So that was it from Dream Beauty. Also, Nykaa also had so many product of their own. So this is what I got from Nykaa. It is like exclusive Nykaa Land Wanderlust Mist, and it is like it smells so nice. There was also Dr. Althea. They have given this hydration mask, sheet mask, which I can use it over my face. There were also many international brands like Kylie. So from Kylie, I expected something good. They would be giving something good, but they have just given this mascara sort of thing. You know, it's a black mascara. Okay. There was also this brand Lancome. I haven't even heard of this brand ever before. And they have given these very small samples of serum and mascaras. So it's a very small and cutie mascara. I can like it's a travel friendly. I can use it if I want to go somewhere. So yeah. So some scrunchies, like scrunchies though I got so many from there. Also I'm so thankful to Nykaa. Like I'm a part of their program Nykaa X Snapchat, and I got this opportunity to witness Nykaa Land, So that is the best part about Nykaa. There was also this brand, they have given this sample perfume. There was H&M Beauty. So all of these had some perfumes in it, perfume samples. There was also this brand Milk. They have given this cap. Yeah, that's it. I also got this Lineage lip mask and serum from them. There were so many games going on there, and there was a game where you have to throw the rings inside the bottles, and I actually won that game, and from them I got this collagen hand cream. I haven't even heard of this brand House of Her, but this brand also offered some games, and I won one of the games, and this is what I got from them. So it's a lip and cheek tint. It has a very nice shade. Yeah, the shade is nice. Again, I could see scrunchies. Yeah, so that is it. YSL was also there. YSL gave me these free sample of perfume and some other Korean brands, not sure about the names. So yeah, that's it. This is all the things that I got from Nykaa Land, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity that Nykaa gave to me. As I'm part of this program by Snapchat X Nykaa, I got free tickets for 3 days, but I only went for 2 days because I was so tired to, show up for the third day. But like the whatever experience that I had, that was crazy. Like I have never been to any such place before where so many beauty brands came together offering, makeovers to you, helping you understand your skin type. So I'm like super excited for any such opportunities that comes in the future, and I'm glad to be a part of this program and witness the Nykaa Land. All thanks to Nykaa. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.